Alright, let's check this Forex Factor. Oh, we good. We good on Forex Factor. We ain't got no red news. Nice. Got no red folder news. FOMC. Oh yeah, it's not Powell. If Powell speaks, market do what it would do. But he's not speaking, so we should be good. So I was looking at this fair value gap, but price never tapped it. Kept going. So I started looking at this OB. I think it was on the hour.
You're good. You're good.
Generous. How do you stream for St.
Ain't no way I was on mute, bro. That's crazy. I'm over here talking the whole time. Well, if you, I put it in the Telegram, bro. Yeah, got me. And I fucking, y'all saw the mouse moving. Y'all know what I'm looking for. Alright, in case you don't, OB here, OB here. We're not looking at this OB. I just want to retest in this zone to take buys. If not, we're selling below here. So gold, sells below here. Change the character and some. Change the character. Retest to change the character with a breaking structure or engulfing candle, and we'll take buys on gold. But if we close, by the candle close below this low, we'll take sales. And then let me show you the Telegram so you can see what I called out. So this is for the buys here. This is for the sales. So same thing. We test a 15-minute bearish OB, which is here. K to 5 or 15-minute. Internal change of character, which we haven't done yet. That's what we're waiting for. That's criteria 2. And then after that, we want to retest or change of character, and then we can start looking for an entry on the buy side. Sell scenario, a lot more simpler. Just close below this low right here, retest it, and then we want a bearish engulfing candle to show us the volume. We'll take it. We'll take it. So GJ. See, and this is why I don't play with GJ. Cause look at that shit. And look, this is why we gotta be careful on GJ. Cause on the hour, like I said, we're playing off this OB. So and on the hour, you see how this EMA is coming to push this down. If you look over here, let's show you in the past. But DJ been busting up for a minute, so I can't really show you in the past. Yeah, DJ been busting for a minute. But gold is slowing down for us. Oh, y'all want to see the Bitcoin trade? The Bitcoin trade go crazy. Look at this. It's trying to stomp me out. We entered all the way back here. Price went up, came down, went up, came down, came all the way up here. I took some. I had another position open. I had took profits up here and shit. Some partials and profits. The price is coming back down. I'm coming down for a minute, but I have a stop loss right here. So all this is secured for real. All this is secured. This is from like last week. I've been holding this for like since like Thursday, Friday. So what is it, like 4 or 5 days? Well, yeah. Market wasn't closed for Bitcoin, so yeah. Oh, look at gold. So this candle might turn around for us. But yeah, we waiting now. We just waiting. You gonna pack me up? Yeah, so that's the thing about trading, bro, is there's a lot of fucking waiting. Can you check my chats? Cool. Look at GJ come down. That's why she don't play with that shit. Cause it be acting like it want to do something. You gotta wait. You gotta wait for real. FG. Okay, look. So this counter just closed. Well, not just closed, but well, pitching 30 minutes ago. This is a bullish fair value gap. And you see how this candle just came, closed all the way below it, and just totally invalidated it. So now this is a BPR, and I forget what a BPR is, or like the actual word for it. So let's look it up together. Like, I know this shit, but I just don't know like the definitions and shit. Balance price range. To identify, you must first locate two fair value gaps on the price chart. One fair value gap should be on the sell side and the other on the buy side. When these two fair value gaps horizontally oppose each other, the area where they overlap is recognized as the balance price range. Take notes. Take fucking notes. Alright, so now when we go look back at the chart, right here, one's bearish, selling, one's bullish, buying. That's what it said, right? One on the sell side and the other on the buy side. When these two fair value gaps horizontally oppose each other, the area where they overlap is recognized as a balanced price point range. This is the area, because we already had the first one marked down. This one came and fucking made the second one. So that's that. So let's look up something else. Is a zone in the price for blase blase equilibrium after a period of price imbalance is identified. Alright, but watch this. You always gotta look the. This is how I learn everything, bro. Just look it up. How to trade. Alright. Alright, we're gonna watch this video.
How's it going, everyone? This video is going to be how to trade BPR, or how to use aggressive price action to your advantage. This is
Yeah, I don't know if it's too loud or not, but I'm just gonna turn it down just in case.
what BPR is you have some sort of fair value gap on this side, such as this bearish fair value gap here, that is overlapped with a bullish fair value gap here. And so if you combine the two, whatever one is smaller, there is your BPR, right? So then ideally you are looking for a retracement back to this area in order to get an entry, right? And now you might be wondering, why not look for this one right here, since it lines up as well? And that's just because if this is our said range, you don't want to be longing in a premium, right? going back to the basics there. Ideally,
So if you don't know what that is, he said you don't want to buy in a premium. So there's something called premium and discount. Basically, what you want to do is when you have a push or a leg, they like to call it a leg. You want to use your Fibonacci. It's a tool that we have. I can show you that a little later. But basically, you just mark out the low and the high of that push, whether it's a drop or upward movement, and it basically marks out that 50%, and anything on the bottom half of that 50%, if you're looking for buys, that's going to be the area where you want to be looking for buys, and that's called discount. And then anything above the 50% is premium, and you don't want to be looking for buys in the premium zone. You want to take your buys in the discounted zone. So, like you're going to the grocery store, do you want to go when they first put the iPhone on the fucking shelf? You gonna pay that fucking $2 for the new iPhone? Or you gonna wait till fucking Black Friday when they got the deals and they give you that discount and you go buy that shit on the discount? So that's basically what that shit is. So that's what he's talking about. We'll get more into depth with that shit later, though.
you want to see this type of action run below some sort of point of interest, right? So whether this is an old low into a fair value gap, it's some sort of liquidity rate that gives you a reason to be looking long here, right? Like I said, you want your higher time frame point of interest. Looking at this price action here on the 15-minute chart, you can see we have low around midnight here, equal lows right here, which are obviously a target. So this is our point of interest, right? Liquidity is resting below this, and this is where we want to watch to see if we get a setup. So going down to the 1 minute, we head for this low and take it out with quite a bit of displacement, putting in fair value gaps with each candle. We continue lower, and this is making me think bullish until we get an aggressive move right back up, putting in even a larger fair value gap. Now, if you look, we have a BPR right here, and you could take an entry in there. However, if it's too much risk for the bottom there, what you can do is use this idea to frame a narrative as you're looking for long entries, wait for an internal low to be put in, and then once that low is taken, look for a long setup, which would be your higher time frame fair value gap there. And you can see how it worked out. Another example is right here. We ran previous lows, right?
So that's basically how we do it. That's basically how the volume was probably fucked up, my bad. But that's how we do it. That's how you trade the BPR, right? And if you look right now, what's gold doing? We're tapping into it actually. We actually tapped into it and we're tracing a little bit. It's not only is this a BPR, it's still a fair value gap. It's still a bearish fair value gap right here. So right now, what price is doing is tapping into that. So I'm starting to go a little. I'm starting to be a little bearish, depending how this candle closes, the next one opens. But same analysis. Sells below here, below this. We get a closure below here. We'll check the sales. We get a little bit more price action right here, and we get some change of character and a break of structure. Well, we don't really need a break of structure. I just want to retest the change of character. We can probably take our position off the retest of the change of character because I really like how this is because this is still a very strong OB right here that's being respected. Like when this leg came down and this one's coming down, so and we got equal highs right here. So there's still liquidity up here. So what I'm thinking is maybe we push up now. Maybe we push up now, right, for London session. New York sweeps that liquidity and drops. We'll see. Let's look at GJ. Oh, see, that's why I said don't play with that motherfucker. So he came down. He didn't test where I wanted him to test in the zone. So yeah. So what I'm thinking is price is probably gonna come up here and sweep the highs of Asian session. But we'll see. Let's see. Yeah, I'm really focused on gold right now. I'm really focused on gold. Like, we could catch GJ. GJ moves a lot slower, so we have time to catch it. I'm calling it right now. So gold really trying to invalidate this bearish fair value gap. It really invalidated the bullish one, but now it's a bearish one, and it's trying to invalidate that shit. Look, it's about to close right above that thing. Look at that. That's crazy. But we're still in that uptrend, and we need to change the character on the 15. If we get that retest, we'll probably take buys from there. But the new hour is actually about to open. How much we got? We got a minute and 6 seconds on the new. Oh wow, look at that. If it closes a doji, yeah, it's gonna chop around. If it closes a doji, it's gonna chop around. But if it flips, we can probably be bullish. Yeah, 50 seconds to flip. There's a flip. There's the flip. No, look at that weight. It's trying to close. It's a perfect doji. Let's see. We got 20 seconds. Okay, it closed bullish. They flipped. That 1 hour flip. Well, you see how the new one opened up, pushed up, now it's going to drop. Now it's trying to drop. So this is an OB. So if it rejects the OB, wow. Choppy gold. Choppy gold. Why did it re-invalidate? I gotta do some more research on that. How it double invalidated fair value gaps. That's crazy. I've never seen that before. But it's showing us a lot of volume. It's showing us a lot of volume. A lot of volume. Let's see what GJ did on that 1 hour close. It didn't make a BOS. You see this high? So we're yeah, so we didn't close above the OB. So remember I said buys above here? And I said I wanted to see a rejection, change character, and we could take this out. So I'm really looking for the sell position right here. This is really what I want to see happen. This OB is still in play. I want to see it tap into this OB. So I want to see price tapping in here. This is now liquidity, so price can do whatever it wants to this. Oh, what did I just do? Oops. This is why you gotta be patient because price look. You see how it was pushing. As soon as London session opened up, it started chopping around. And you can see the same thing on gold. Look, chop. So you just gotta be patient because price is gonna do that. Gotta wait for that perfect entry. Gold didn't really close with a lot of volume on the last candle. It's like volume starting to die out a little bit, little bit.
These niggas pussy and I know it, they better stay in they gin and traits. We got baby drakes, Lil Pro got 308s, they penetrate. I sit back and think about times I used to eat off paper plates. Last steak and strip and shit, I had a chef cook dinner plate. Brand new switch gon' make them twitch. This bitch I kick like karate, this bitch I kick like kumite. Nigga play with something, I'ma demonstrate. Niggas wanna be like me so bad right now in the streets, they imitate. Drop that 4 back door, that 3-5 to the face to meditate. For that check, I had to wait. I play for cake, congratulations. Now I bounce inside the stew for turkey plates, they can't relate. They catch a pose, he saving hoes, that ain't my role, go get a cake. We put the P in perk, we pushing P's on that interstate. I love this Drake, my favorite gun, I take her out for dinner dates. I told my hoe we hit the stove, grab what you want, we haven't paid. We smoke his ass until he blink, lil' buddy ass a dead vape. I'm heavyweight, he featherweight, the Drake shake, the earthquake. Bitch, we turned up every day like it's my fucking birthday. How the fuck he drop one song, go 50K his first day, let's celebrate. We pop it top with G-Lock, he levitate. These niggas groupies conversate like bitches, all they do is hate. My mama AP carrot cake for all the nights on Section 8. We finna slide and open fire, you niggas better not hesitate. Watch how I hit the stew as they get in that bitch and concentrate. Right back and shoot like Golden State, whole shit I just can't tolerate. My mama AP carrot cake for all the nights on Section 8. We finna slide and open fire. Yo, hey, first of all us getting busy on my son and them. Garbage day, LeBron trash man, I made him dump him. If you don't see him fucking up no paper, then I ain't come with him. Keep talking about what he shoulda did, so I can't fuck with him. Damn, dishing balls that had the house hot. Playing catch a mouth shot, the bullets made his scalp hot. ARP came with a scope, this ain't no fucking mouth white. I done made the play, bought my mistake and ham hot. Don't need no nigga around. Let's play hide and seek, he try to tweak it, we gon' get him found. Pass LeBron the iron, he'll lose his mind and probably switch him down. Greatest Brown Drake hit his apple, we ain't sipping cram. Put his ass on Instagram. Your designer clothes, my diamonds froze, your shit ain't frozen up. Tried to post with my big bro outside the store, wasn't old enough. Play my part way from the start, I guess my heart wasn't cold enough. We ate Sloppy Joes inside the foe, you wasn't even po enough. I can't trip on shit I can't control, cause I know God got me. Alphabet boys on my trail, them niggas think I'm John Gotti. Cougar bitch trying to let me do the right thing with a mom body. SRT came with some hits, we pulled up in that wide body. Rockin' Prada till I'm dead, she wanna fuck, but I won't hit. Use her throat cause I got bread, but I just left the hoe on red. I got scarred inside my head, I'm with the shine like I'm the Reds. In the pot like scrambled eggs, the plug last name was Perez. We like, ooh, PJ by my side, he banging 5, he hollering Sue. Hey, she want all my time, but I want mine, she say I'm too rude. My youngin' need a screwdriver, he got loose screws. We like, ooh, we got loose heads. Nigga, I'm not trying to find these niggas too late. Too red, put a hole inside his do-rag. Watch out who you shoot at. You know what I'm saying? Beats.
Right there, yeah, get right out. Yeah, right out. Yeah. Don't want the button on me. Yeah. Give me that one too, give me that one too. Yeah. I'm sight. If I was you, nigga, I won't fuck with McFadden, just clear the wall in the pawn shop. Police that nigga tryna lick on my killer sauce, a bitch still knock it top. Yeah, nigga, this city so goddamn little, you can run, I'ma still get a drop. Yeah, just bought a chopper the size of a Glock, now it's easy to aim for the top. A nigga already caught me slipping, I'ma shoot a little fast, I ain't just talking out my mouth. I really got racks and rank in this city, nigga, my grandma can vouch. I got like 4 millionaires trying to sign, but I'm still posted at the crack house. 37,000 on my goddamn neck, when I see him on Zay, I'ma still gun him down. Wish I could tell Billy we ain't living with no pussy, this shit on the floor, you get out. On the other side, could've been changed me in my hood life, but I ain't even wanna take the 100,000. Nigga, I'm on the side of my grandma's house, 223 with 100 rounds. Ha, heard some more nigga won't smoke with no foxes, went bought some more 100 rounds. Nigga, I been on the road so much that the smoke get heavy, I ain't going out of town. Yeah, I know the gang, you done got this shit on repeat, so I'm calming it down. Shh, nigga, yeah, calming it down. These niggas know we the deepest in the city, but wait till the members on the town. Yeah, I got some niggas still trying to slide for Zay, but I'm calming them down. Pussy, we ain't even linking no new niggas in this city, they ain't shit with you clowns. Nigga, I ain't gonna lie, ain't nobody going in this town. My nigga J. Kyle like fat, I can't slide, cause bitch, I'm on the stove right now. Pussy, I know he ain't lying, he stay ready to gun something down. He say when he done, cooking that shit.
So gold is actually busting to the upside right now. And if this kind of closes how it looks right now above, well, it's not really above it yet, but if it goes a little higher and closes above, that's a wick right there. See, I went down and created that wick. We don't want that. We want it to close like this. Well, that's what tells us the change of character is there. And look at this. Look at this volume. Wow. Look at this volume. So buyers are looking real good. Buyers are looking real good. So yeah, so if we get this, we got about 50 seconds. So we get a closure above here. We could probably take some buys on a retest. Looking real good. Yeah, it's looking real good. So we'll be looking at something like this. So we'll be looking something like that. And it didn't even close above. Wow. It closed with the wick. That's why I said we didn't want. So now we gotta wait for this candle to see if it closes. Nobody can close but we'll be looking at something like that. Wow, see? This is why we're not in yet. Because these wicks, this candle closed below and it wick price basically rejecting. And this candle is doing the same thing. It went up and it's rejecting. So we're going to need a big. This candle is going to need to get up there. And after it gets up there and closes up there, retest. And once we get that retest, we'll hop in that buy. But yeah, so right now, probably put it right here. And check on GJ. That volume is dying off real bad. Real bad. That volume dying off. Yeah, them buyers, they should have pushed. If they wanted to push, they should have pushed. So remember this OB? We're going to drop to the 5, but we want to change the character. Because we tapped in here. So change the character here. Close below to change the character. Retest. First sales. Stops could be up here. And we could probably target right here. So we're getting up there. We're gonna need a little bit more volume than that though. If it's gonna close above. So we know I really want to get up there, and then after that, we just wait for that retest we can get in. But I really want to fucking have some more volume in this candle.
That's like eat some candy. Nigga, this shit ain't here. Nigga, hold your text on prick. Finna book her a flight just to punch on the belly. I don't give a damn if I cancel this mean what got it. I'ma make sure y'all get it. Nigga, don't run from this. It's AK a spine split. If y'all catch that pussy at McDonald's, I'm paying Mac double the gift. I don't care if he make it. Nigga, I still give you 10,000 if you hit him. I don't know if he can take it. Nigga, these 5.56 rip through livers. 20 young niggas around me, I know for a fact 19 to kill something, nigga. Nigga, stop out that cabinet line. You ain't never seen shit get cooked up, nigga. These niggas put on the image. You ain't never seen nothing get whooped up, nigga. You ugly as fuck, young nigga, that's why I look like you kill something, nigga. Niggas ain't shooting they pistols. I really hang around niggas that's clapping niggas. I really hang with killers. Nigga ain't grew up hang around action figures. I know I just signed me a deal, but before this shit, I been touched 6 figures. I was that young nigga in my hood like 100 I shoot. Bet it, nigga. I can't send no heat through, buddy. He gon' talk, he ain't ready, nigga. I just got off the phone, Lil Meech. He say, fat, you ready, nigga. Take that shit out the cabinet, I prefer that part. Nigga, we don't want that skillet. All these hoes be saying DJ Khaled. Nigga, fat did it.
You poppin' your shit, nigga. Poppin' your shit, nigga. Poppin' your shit, nigga. Poppin' your shit, nigga.
Gotta have your pass come through, nigga. Gotta have a pass, nigga. Gotta have a pass to come through. I thought I told you that. I got an AK and a mini Drake on me with a shoulder strap. Don't care if I been knowing you all my life. Won't fuck with you, give you a doubt. My hood ain't got lions and birds. Foxes only. Better a doubt. I don't know who's that vouch for bitch ass niggas. What this shit come about? I was my young niggas role model before these hundreds of thousands. I was looking at big ass niggas.
So we got to change the character. We finally closed the bug, but not with too much volume. The only thing that scares me is there's no bottom width on this candle, and we never broke this high. So if one of those can happen, the retest will get us in. We also have a fair value gap right here. There we go. That's what I wanted to see right there. So not only is this a swing high, this is also the Asian high from the last session. And I wonder, did we take out the lows? What time is this? 1:30. 10. So if you don't know what I'm talking about with the sessions, this is what I mean by sessions. So right now we're trading the London session, and these numbers on top are wrong, right? So 7 is when London starts, right? But for us, it's 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. So 2 a.m. So if you look at Asian, which is Tokyo, it closed at 2, right? And it opened at 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 p.m., right? So 6 p.m. This is a 6 o'clock candle. Here. This is Asian low. So this is our Asian low right here. Has not been taken out. How the fuck you spell Asian, bro? Alright, so I'm gonna put an alert right here. Cause this would be a change of character on the bearish side. Cause look, we swept that's alright, so not only is it swing high, it's an Asian high, and we sweat that. So if we get right here, change. So hold on, I'm gonna hold off on that because I want to see how this acts. Because we could get a sweep here, but the buys still look really good. Buys look really good, but we just gotta be careful and see if this high sweeps, drops, change character. Because if that does happen, we might as well just come down and take out the Asian low, especially because we still are New York. So and it's a Monday. It's a Monday. So a lot of choppiness on Monday. Go. GJ not doing shit. See, that's why I said wait on GJ. Go to our main priority tonight.
My nigga serious in the kitchen. When he whip it, he wear her next. We been stamped our name in the city every time they play, we pass the test. Nigga, you talk that gangsta shit all you want, whole time you just talk out your neck. Nigga, I'm the youngest nigga in my city doing it. They like he up next. I got a nigga so greedy in the kitchen every time he cook it, he make it scratch. Every time I pop out in something about the city, who is this? Break that pack out that fanny pack. They say little dude got the best. Every time I tap my game, let's go, that shit be number next. Every hood I step in, I'ma make sure them bitches remember fat. These niggas really ain't living this shit, they rapping about so don't speak on that. Gave my
And see, this is why I'm waiting, because if you look here, from price came down, it didn't even tap into anything to push up. It didn't tap into an order block. Bought it kind of close. Yeah, the retest of this, get it to buys, but we're looking for sales if this breaks. But this camera has no bottom wick, so we gotta be careful. We gotta be careful. There's no bottom wick on this. It can flip if I want to flip downward. And no closure, so it's still sweet. So we need a closure above with a retest so we can take the buys. I know I said to change the character, but price is real iffy right here. So we'll see what it do.
I can cuss. Pussy nigga, you can't pop it like us. 30 mag in my jeans, it took 100,000 cash. What the fuck? Turning all the LA bitches to sluts. Sticking this bread and digging her guts. Break on a bitch, I got that from my uncle. Stealing ass bitch, I call her a conk. Nigga better love their life, man. Love your life, man, before we love your wife. In my city, we put niggas in blunts. Turn our tough ass niggas to skunks. 40,000, spent that this month. You ain't break on that bitch, all you did was hunch. Every hit, that's something nigga got touched. I'm a real fox. Ask the city about us. I ain't gotta make up none of this stuff. My young nigga shot the bullets till they bust. Yeah. Nigga, with them packs you been fucking up. Nigga, this chopper be coming in clutch. Glass in my mouth, this shit here cut. Slap the bitch if I heard one fuss. 1,200 for some Celine shorts. You ain't a renegade, ho, you a nut. Counterfeit in a Maybach truck. TRX lift kit on a truck. Bread gang chain, canary cut. She wanna come around this motion stuff. Still giving these bowls uppercut. Why it sound like that? It's a Hellcat truck. 200,000 in jury, it's tough. That bitch been eating these nuts. Nigga don't put on them cuffs. I'm with this shit, pound for stuff. I'm with a Cobra, Joe, he cut. None of these niggas pop this shit like us. To a bus full of gumbo runs. Nigga, the shit they saying it ain't nothing. Tryna touch another 100 this month. I know you shot something, but you still a bitch cause you caught some bubbles in your guts. Nigga, whoa.
Big G the Biggie, fam, what's poppin', nigga? I already know it's us. If it ain't us, it ain't nobody. Fuck everybody. Fuck everybody, then. What type of time that's how I'm feeling. Let's go. Whoa, I come from the bottom, I came up, nigga. Look at me now, I ain't changed up, nigga. Don't know what to cut, my shit looking like glitter. You know if I fucked her, if you see me with her. G, he the biggest, I'm reading on Twitter. I'm full of drink, I ain't taking no pictures. Ain't going back and forth, I ain't playing with niggas. If you got a problem, then come get your issue. I ain't talking, don't even matter, my nigga. Touch me, you gon' get shot at my nigga. You gon' get put in the dirt. With your name and your face on the shirt. I ain't gotta call nobody around me. If it go down there, I put in that work. You ain't never wake nothing before. Shoot that bitch till he fall on the floor. Now we smoking that boy gumbo. Rest in peace to my nigga Elo. Put it down for this chain around my throat. When I think about Noosh got choked. Better know I'ma give me some get back. You ain't with what I'm with, I ain't with that. Gotta know that we up in the scope. Head just threw me an M on the floor.
bitch, nigga. I ain't finna play with these niggas. I'm in South Vegas when I'm in the city. Me and some foxes don't take with them killers. Skip at the charge when I'm in the city. Take the tags off and fill it with killers. Pussy ass nigga just rapping inside them songs. Won't even slide for a sister. My young nigga say he'll get a job done. Let him take a picture with the bread game pen. Gotta be cool rapping about these switches. Make sure the feds ain't list. They be like, where the fuck this young nigga from? I'm from the west of Memphis. Stop through the city. I don't even check on my family. Nigga first stop at the kitchen. I own some foxes, boppers, kitchens, 304s, and some people. All this smoke be coming out of blue. MP90, sound like an engine. Balls, choppers, and switches. Nigga, you can ask shot off when I bought into the trenches. I ain't like when that button had melted. Told little bro, take that shit out that glizzy. I own some foxes and killers. I own some foxes and killers.
This is what I'm talking about right here. This is why we're being so patient. You know how much money people are losing right now? If anybody took buys right now, prices drop. $10 pips. You're down 10 pips if you took that buy. And we're wicked, bro. We're not showing the volume we need to see to break this right now. So that's why we're being patient.
They hide, they miss it. They die for adding the mission. I see like the Reaper got devil into this shit. Step out to the city. Dumb ass nigga try pop, gon' die for image. Score go from bowl. Push it up, they already know. We up, let's go. Shoot up top here, now we shoot below. You throw the scotch to the top, bro. You see that fire jumping out the pole. Hey, chip out my artillery low. You know don't fool every time I approach. I'm foxy switching, yeah. So I bought the killer. I'm early love. Monster 6.4 and riding on him. 6.4 and riding this shit, nigga. Yeah. You popping your shit, nigga. Yeah. Nigga. Me and GJ did 2 shows with a 5.56 in my pants, nigga. Mama said wherever you go, keep that key in your hand. I was 15 when I first seen a murder. Ain't nobody held my hand. I'm in AM right now with millionaires, far from sandwich bags. Joe just called my phone like, Fed, where you at? Finna pull up on my chin bag. Bitch, I'm front with Mivers on front in the kitchen, but I steal the whips on fast. Mention my name and anything. Switches on your ass. Joe be telling me that this shit on the floor. He like, Fed, don't crash. That shit hurt in my heart when I seen my auntie sniff some glass. I'm from a city before you walk out the house. Make sure you got on your mask. Felt that fire in the hospital, chilling with doctors. Now I'm on a jet with bag. Mama say you better chill on sending them hits. For the feds get your ass. Nigga, you don't wanna see me mad. All my life been on niggas' ass. In Miami with 100 something on my nigga. Reach for it, that's your ass. I just pray to God like I feel sorry for the ones who put me last. With the pimpin', it look like Hannah Montana just brought him a bag of cash. Look like this shit came quick. I know they like how the fuck Fat blew up so fast. Bag just told me some real shit. I found out they gon' hurry up and smoke my ass. In AM on the same shit. Everybody telling me faith finna go up fast. I'm something you wish you had. To my old bitch, I swear you can kiss my ass. Nigga, yeah. Bitch, yeah. I fuck with this shit. Yeah. Me and GJ did 2 shows with a 5.56 in my pants, nigga. Mama said wherever you go, keep that key in your hand. I was 15 when I first seen a murder. Ain't nobody held my hand. I'm in AM right now with millionaires, far from sandwich bags. Joe just called my phone like, Fed, where you at? Finna pull up on my chin bag. Bitch, I'm front with Mivers on front in the kitchen, but I steal the whips on fast. Mention my name and anything. Switches on your ass. Joe be telling me that this shit on the floor. He like, Fed, don't crash.
Just made 100 off the unemployment. That was easy money. Went to Gary, turned the cars in. I never seen the money. Bitch, I got it out the mud. This ain't peasy money. The brick still 17.5 called Jeezy phone.
Stone Cold.
Just made 100 off the unemployment. That was easy money. Went to Gary, turned the cars in. I never seen the money. Bitch, I got it out the mud. This ain't peasy money. The brick still 17.5 called Jeezy phone. Bro thought I was at the funeral home with Gucci on. In the car, pulled up in, cost 120 something. Left home with none yesterday. Today it's 20 on. Easy money. If we had to watch them chains, it's 100 on me. I'm 500 in this
year, this ain't crumble money. I spent 150 in 2 days, I think they coming for me. An AR pistol and 2 Drakes will be hunting dummies. You ever walked a nigga down and he was running from me? A little devil, I'll pull up with my nutty buddies. She suckin' fuck me, but she never gon' get nothing from me. We up and running, blew my mind when I touched 100. 100 bows at one time, I used to bust an onion.
I'm in a 2020 sleeve with a money counter. If I add up what I spent on drink, about 100,000. $500,000 just off rap. I don't fuck. But I gotta recook this brick for my bro. Give me a couple hours. Gone son did the jury, bro. Don't keep asking. I like to drink clean paint so I can go to sleep happy. Mike talented. I seen him shoot a small 223 back. When it said all they seen was bullets flying out of green.
And he seen that y'all blowing out of blue beans. I'm on these slide for my nigga. Don't need no new friends. I'm off for RP 30. She off 2 10s. I need a U off for the load. I'm on my way to Flint. Before you speak on the game, make sure you say we rich. A dub on the 10 to 4, nigga, pay attention. Before I put my trust in niggas, I pay the bitches. If we is on the same page, it'll make us rich.
Niggas always ask me like, bro, what you do? Like, what you do to get where you at is rap. I didn't know nobody in the rap game, none of that. All blues in my pocket, I'm a kryptonite. High as hell, off a pine and walk, almost missed my flight. Niggas take the color off the dog, that bitch don't bite. F colors in my diamond link look like disco lights. We just ran out of walk heart, we drinking Trish tonight. I can't pull up on my little hoe, I'm with my bitch tonight. 30 in the Glock, I dropped the whole clip tonight. Lazy flow, but I'll turn it up if the tempo right. Have you ever seen $500,000 cash? Have you ever had a drink plug? Was you sipping glass? Getting grade A hit on the road, but I'm finna crash. Just ran 100 up in 3 days. I'm in a different.
Michigan music.
Stone cold. Drink got me smiling, like when I'm talking to a bitch. If you ever see me strolling, I was walking with the stick. 40K cash on me, I just offed another brick. Last nigga tried to gang, he in his coffin eating shit. He tried to run from the trap, and I honked him with the stick. Bitch, I just bought another blick. Domestic violence. I just fought another bitch. Show the doc I need a script. I be coughing in my spit. On my first body, me and Quani walked in on the lick. Fucking red hoes, you could get your bitch walking down the strip. Ain't no cap in my rap, let me take my hat off. I just bumped into an op, let a fully auto Mac off. Yeah, I know I smell good, bitch, but back off. Fucked up, might get out the feds, asking what the heck cost. Doing 120 in a snowstorm, I'm in the track hard. My bitch do a Rio say, she on back tab 18, 36 a hoe when I rap dog. Oh no, I wasn't talking about no rap, bro, this crack talk. Bitch, you finna have good sex, take your tracks off. Stupid ass nigga ran from the K, I blew his back off. You can catch me at Somerset, dropping racks off. Fuck one coat, at least how much to hold my clear rack costs. Yeah, I might be ugly, baby, but I'm not bummy. And my hair be nappy as fuck, but I got money. I got robbed Saturday night, 12 people got shot. I've been doing features 12 months straight, bro, I'm rap hustling. You don't smell that he stink, you might faint. Yeah, he that from the back off a perk for an hour, got her back thumping. Last week I quit drink, now I'm back dumping. Cause 4 O's in a 20 ounce don't seem that much. What up, little Bo? Shit. Man, I got loan money, bitch. Ain't nobody give me shit, I got my own money, bitch. Yachty put up in the Rari with the chrome on him, bitch. Been spending money since the day I got a hold of the shit. Chrome hard shirts and Mary jeans with the rips in them. Gen 5 Glocks and extended clips, shit'll get ignorant. Rio, why your pop look like that? It's a 6 inch. Don't be stuffing around my kitchen by the oven, it's a brick in it. Playing AP on my wrist, it's a brick on it. Damn, she cute.
Okay, we gotta focus out because these buys are playing out, and I don't want to miss my entry. So let me see if all the criteria is from that. It looks like OB tab, change a character on the 5 of 15. Change a character right here. Breaks. Makes a support right here. I'll consider this one the break, this one the retest. Those buys looking real good on gold. Okay. We better hop in. We actually better hop in. These buys. I'm just trying to make sure. I'm gonna go tight. Let's go tight. Let's go real tight. This candle needs to flip for me to get in. Two 729, 2 729 4 8, 2 3. We can go 4 8. This is very choppy. I don't like how, see, even on the broker. Oh, yeah, that's showing me right there. Need a flip and a retest. We good now. Look at DJ. DJ put liquidity right here, too. So what if it takes us out, then takes us out? Change of character never happened. But we never close outside this. So same thing on DJ. I want to respect this OB, create that change of character, and then retest it for sales. Other than that, if we break above here, retest it and buy it. Keep it simple. In gold, we gotta watch out for this sweep. Wow, DJ just fucking.
switch this shit backward. Real lean plug, nigga. I can still get acky. Rubber band AP on 30 racks. If a bitch ass, if you ever see me run from a nigga, I shot the stick. Dog shit off, spitting fire on my mouth. Call me Big Dragon. Oh, we was talking about white bus. Lou got 6 glasses. Plug got 5 seal, 8 quart pints, and 6 glasses. Tried to leave me, shot her car up, and broke the bitch chat. 8 lines of wop in 1 cup. We sip molasses. Try the bitch car and get some head. Damn, I'm finna crash. That gold dweller 56 plane. Think I'm finna grab it. 30 racks hanging out my pocket. Got me feeling chatty. My city small, nigga think he getting away. I can get the addies. I don't really be fucking with the perks, but I can get the. My shooter got ADHD. He'll kill you for a script of addies. I was finna fuck my bitch mom, but I can hit the grand. You ain't never had a glass painted red. It came in a cast. My fiend called me for a 20 stone. I came with a bass. I'm taking niggas guns in the club. I came with a mag.
Stone Cold, bitch.
Beat a nigga in his head till my hand tired. Pour 3 of red in the every fresh papaya. On my way on Morris Road, finna bust this other script at Meyer. I'm tryna fuck again, her pussy got a better grip than pliers. You wanna deal shit, I got some better hit than Mike Tyson. A white dog in a brindle stripe, one got a fight. I'm real good at math, I can add, but I don't like science. I can stick a 40 ball and hundreds and some Nike jogs. You talking shit, smoking woods. I feel like Shannon Sharp, make you think you got electrocuted when the cannon spark. Made a lot of pros off selling O's in the letter R. In the crib and made the most off rap. Don't forget the tether part. Online shopping going crazy, I got a heavy cart. I'm finna buy so much shit, I need a second car. Raised in the slums of Flint, you grew up in a better part. Ice on, so it's lights on when we fuck, like I'm scared of dark. Trying to lose these little pounds I got, but I ain't scared to eat. Bitch, up a roll on them broke hoes, don't embarrass me. Fuck the crazy bitch good, then woke up to this bitch staring at me. I think I just drunk too much lean, I can barely breathe.
Detroit music.
Hey Josh, who got some drink? I need an 8 watt. Right now it's bus AP. Last month I had a plain watt. I still got that gun with the bullets make a train stop. It's a 4 in a 20 ounce, bro. It's not the same pop. 30 shots in a Gen 5. The clip hang out. Ain't no money on the floor, then I'm at home. I don't hang up. Bitch blew my socks off, then I blew her nigga brains out. Ops ain't slid once and they know we at the same house. Flying in a 21 left, the window still tint. Take off the rubber, hit the bitch raw. It feel different. Bitch broke my heart 10 years ago. I can still feel. Nigga ain't add me in a percentage on it. I let Will fix it. My clear bubble coat, 2200. Just let the drink man pull off, cause I got juice coming. He tryna charge too much for the walk. I paid 200. My old white man just pulled up, spent new blue ones. How you tryna go to war? You ain't got one. Plug threw me 2 bricks, one was short, so I shot one back. All the thousands that I spent on lane, I ain't got one. Tryna put Detroit in Flint on, but I only got one back. Bitch, I'm from the murder mitten. My hitman ruthless. He done murdered children. Fuck a bitch ovaries up. Then I heard her. Can't believe my old friend smoking crack had to serve my nigga. My nigga. Sav, man, why you do that, man? You think me lazy? Got the head from your bitch that tried to make me pay. They say I'm the leader in my hood, they tried to make me made. Told bro, put that weed out, it ain't got no flavor. Bustin' crack down with my nails, I ain't got no razor. How the fuck you blowin' smoke, you ain't got no vapor? I hit a nigga with a beam, I ain't got no laser. I can move the bag in Las Vegas, I am not no raider. Trapping on the street full of band, I don't got no neighbor. I be selling brown like Orlando, you wanna test? Nigga told me he got Sherbalato, but it wasn't fresh. I can tell it wasn't straight drum, it had a different texture. Hit a lick, they in the wrong spot, it's in a different dress. I don't want no chicken tender, it ain't come from chest. All these clips, I can shoot a movie, I think I need director. Drake got a beam with a light, it look like project. Pint a walk in a 2 liter, it tastes like medicine. Hit a white bitch, didn't know her name, she look like a Jessica. I'm a glass sipper, I need red, I don't want no yellow. Bought my bitch a pair of glass slippers, call her Cinderella. Told my fiend he gotta buy a sample, I don't give out tests. Beat him in his head with the gun, I don't need no bullets. Had to tell Ghost calm down, cause he be on bullshit. Told Jay, let's put a play together, say he need some dog shit. You ain't really got no paper, nigga, that's your dog shit. Nigga pulled up with 10 pints, do you think I bought him? Nigga tryna scrap, but I'm strapped, do you think I fought him? Plug through a bag, I ran off, do you think I caught him? Told him I ain't get the box he sent, do you think I caught it? Somebody died in my hood, do you think I did it? Fell asleep naked with a bitch, I don't think I hit her. My bitch left a couple months ago, do you think I missed her? Just hit a bitch and cut it to her friend, but I think they sisters. Her baby daddy got some money, but I think I'm richer. Made a 20 ball and put it up, I ain't take no pictures. Tryna do some shit, I got my son, I need a babysitter. Pull up on a bitch, she let me fuck, I blew a AFU with her. Pull up on a bitch, she wanna fuck, I told her make me dinner. Bitch tried to raise her voice at me, almost made me hit her. Nigga told me I can't fuck his bitch, almost made me hit her. Bitch tried to keep my car and run, almost made me hit her. She stole some money out my pocket, tried to play the victim. Blame the shit on her friend I hit, almost made me kill her. Bitch sucked my dick and kept the nut shit, baby stiller. I ain't tryna beef, extort niggas, make them pay me chicken. Catch a nigga slipping at the light, make his heart drop, cut the green beam on, make his car stop. 2 to 3s hit his engine block and cut the car off. Dump on the nigga head off yellow zannies, call that bar hopping. My brain like a new car that's in drive with no park options. Make a pussy nigga car reverse when the AR popping. My fiend say he want a black dog, so I'm tar shopping. Finna pour 6 in thick red, you still par dropping. I gave you boys enough time to drop, now this shit over. My Glock like a badass little kid, I put a switch on. I broke my cousin 10th scale, I put a brick on it. My little dog on section 8, I put some wick on it. They say I talk about the same shit, well that's all I know. If you ain't blowing ops, keep that shit, bro, them all I smoke. If you ain't spinning blues, keep your bread, bro, that's all I want. 4 5s and fins and AR pistols, all I really told. Making pros and saving cheese, that's what I'm into. My bitch got mad, told me to leave, bitch, I'll spin too. Pop you in your shit, then tie you up after I kill you. I'm finna rap this nigga, I need an instrumental. You tryna learn some street knowledge? I'm a mentor. Pop him in his knees, then fight the nigga, he was 6'4". Your bitch put you out the crib again, what you pay rent for? I paid a bitch to fuck and she ain't call, I need to trick more. Hey, I got a drug problem, 10 on me now. I'm just at Home Depot rug shopping. My bitch a CNA, I gave her 5 to go scrub shopping. I smoked a quarter pound a day, bro, my lungs throbbing. Meet the plug, take everything, why son watch. I swear to God, I ain't stick that nigga up, my gun robbing. Niggas wanna beef, I'm all for it, let's get these guns popping. When niggas start shooting up cribs, they took the fun out.
Who the hell is Carlo?
Fucking with these bitch ass outsiders, man. Fuck 'em. Look. Lou put up on me, so we pulled up a Kobe Bryant, stacked up on my empty war pints. Taller than giant, almost didn't graduate school. I was so defiant, boy, this hair, I think me and my bitch.
So this fair value gap is actually playing out a little bit right here. So if we can close like this, you can take a risky buys right here. I just really want to see us have more volume above this swing high, the Asian highs. But this is beautiful right here, this fair value gap. If y'all saw me mark it up, price came, tapped into it, slow down. So we get to break a structure, I'll hop in, no hesitation. But I just need to see more volume above this Asian high because these wicks are too iffy for me. These wicks are way too iffy for me. Because if price wants to drop all the way down, it can. And that'll give us the drop to the lows. And then let's check GJ. Oh, GJ busting. So we got Asian highs right here for GJ. So in our lows, what's our Asian lows? 6 o'clock. So these are Asian lows. This is Asian high. It was 2 p.m. This is 2. Yeah, so we might sweep drop. One of them is gonna do it. So I want to see this alert come on. But it depends if we get that wick. If we get that wick, or we get the body candle close. Cause we get the body candle close. This liquidity right here. Nobody saw that. Whatever it is. Good. So we got about 6 minutes and a few seconds before the hour candle closes. So let's see what it do.
Used to have a standard clip, I got a mop now. Shit, gang, where we pouring? I got a pop now. Nigga, put the gun down and get knocked out. Seen the ops at the stove, hopped out a drop top with chop out.
What's up, y'all? It's OJ. Cookie Run Tower of Adventures is here. And with Google Play Games, I can sync the game from my phone to my PC. I get the freedom to play on keyboard, mouse, or controller, and I get
Double R truck, matte black with the 4Gs on it. I tried to fuck a pair of twins, I had a horny moment. Second nigga think we finna fight, I had 40 on me. Tell hoes trying to fuck, now I got an orgy on me. Call of Duty gun clip, lower than Oprah bank account. Walking up on random bitches like, hey, can I take you out? Tax dog 200 for a 7, took a AFI out. Got some head from my bitch before she pushed the baby out. Used to ride around with dope all day, I'm lazy now. Probably finna hit my pregnant bitch, fuck the baby out. Used to ain't had $80, nigga, now I can spend 80,000. Why would I pay 300 for a line and my auntie got it? Put your gun down, I wanna shank somebody. God bless me with a gift, I wanna thank somebody. 20 niggas in a dope house, bro, this ain't a party. I'm trying to get dog whack. Can I pay somebody? Please. Damn, Spark, you shot this?
Snuck at 8 o'clock on a plane in my carry-on. Told him he ain't talking about guap, nigga, carry on. I've been out in Cali getting money, I'm like, Harry, yo. Shorty just called me, want me to put this dick in area hole. Cartier diamond rings on, but I ain't married, though. Yeah, that little weed you got straight, but it ain't Larry, though. Man, I see you can't bust down, it ain't Gary, though. The label tried to sign me for it, just counted up $250,000 on my kitchen table. Ain't been home with money, made 300, man, this shit amazing. Doggy say he got some strong grounds, how much them bitches take? Man, you ain't really got no pay for real, we know you niggas faking. Track hawks, demons, hellcats, we bet that shit and race it. Walk his ass down it. Now you gotta face it. You can't really fuck with me for real, you might as well face it. 3600 for a seal, you know I gotta taste it. White diamond link, white rollie, but I'm not racist. Young rich nigga love the ball, I'm like Sanaa Lathan. Pay $100 for my drawers, I am not basic. Bitch, give me my money right now, I ain't got patience. How the fuck is you a ghetto boy and you ain't got a station? Man, how the fuck I'm supposed to know your feelings if you don't say shit? Hit a speed bump pulling up and I did not waste it. Read his paperwork, I know he told he is not gangster.
Didn't drink this Ada egg by myself, you cannot taste it. Only point Sprites and cream sodas, I cannot waste it. I kinda knew my nigga telling on me, he would not face. Just know you take a slick shot at me, you gon' die later. My weed louder than the old school without a carburetor. I just jumped in a 550, I'ma park it later. Nigga got it, knee deep in that water in the shark tank. Little bro robbing niggas for they buffs, he a cardi taker. Guarantee you won't survive this, this an army weapon. What the fuck, your niggas paralyzed or something? They hardly step. Tried to swipe some in sex fifth with my card declined it. Damn, I mean decline, you know I hardly know how to spell shit. You say that straight drop, what? Let me smell it. Got a switch, I just dropped the whole clip in 10 seconds. I'm a rapper now, you know I had to grab a big nigga. Went to Golden Sun first, then I went to Hush second.
Shit sound like a movie, let's do it like that then. I'm gonna make a movie right
Okay. I'm officially in traffic trying to get it in. I'm officially the backbone of what it is. You can push off my flip no matter what it is. I feel wrong, I get it long. I'm trying to cut them in. Told her I'ma cut your ass off if you say what again. All that slick talk I do came from dealing with the scales. You can tell by the smell, young. Put it on the scale. If you can keep a Lisa dime around, you would never fail. The feeling that your hand get from shooting when you scared. If a drug busting Flint make the news, I was there. Let me cut my arms off before I ball, I make it fair. Real did 1,000,000 views 7 times. It ain't rare.
Just bust a nut, that's why I hate perks. I wanna fuck again. Hit him in his shit, put him to sleep. Somebody took him in. The O's open up the other way. What kind of truck we in? You wanna join the ghetto boy clique? We gotta jump you in. I want my bitch ass and fucked her friend. I know that hurt her feelings. We blowing real exotic weed. This ain't Purple Kenny. I'd rather pay your student loans off. I ain't a Birkin getter. Mine don't drink that pop in there. I got purple in it. I know it looks like Alka-Seltzer. It's a perky in it. Cut the crock pot on medium and drop a turkey in it. You see the stick I got right here? I hit a birdie with it. I poured a deuce of red up and took a 30 with it.
I ain't had my daddy in my life neither, but I ain't care. I'm in the crib laid up, the lights off like I ain't there. I be careful with the fin, cause the trig like a hair. Wrote a 3-5 a piece, putting twins in there. Went to the red roof, got 2 beds for twins up in there. Bro, don't kill him on my porch, got my kid up in there. Took my first zip, like look at what I did up in there. I'll rent your kitchen out, cause I live up in there.
I cheat a lot, but if she cheat, I'm cutting her off. I ain't fair. I drunk a deuce straight in my nigga face. I ain't share. I'm too high to get on top. It sit on me like I'm a chair. If I get snatched, I'ma keep my mouth closed. I ain't there. It must be a nigga job to hate on me, like they gotta do it. Off the lean, my bitch made me breakfast and we got into it. If I got a gun on me, then I'm trying to shoot it. 20 racks and dubs, I'ma hear a thud if I lose.
I know, but I don't care. I would've paid Ken to get my straps back. I ain't scared. My bitch cheat, I'ma treat her like she dead. I ain't fair. Give a fuck who I'm with. I see some ass, I'ma stare. If she get pregnant, hope she fall down on me and some stairs. I know you sick, you think you rich and don't nobody even care. The type of nigga throw a party on his fam there. Hit her in a quiet house, it sound like bam bam there.
Damn, look, you did that? Alright. Motherfucker going crazy. Alright. My bitch can't even like a nigga. My bitch can't even like a nigga picture. I'm insecure. 85 a gram for this dog and it isn't pure. Blue tips in the FN, they got a pedicure. How the fuck I take a nigga style? He dropped the CD, I didn't hear it. Okay, we on our 5th pop. It's me and Ray. My bitch ain't got no Mac on, but I beat her face. Told Mike to let me see the Glock and I'ma keep the K. I be preparing for a shootout, that's a week away.
I was trying to tell my bitch some shit it took a week to say. Like, yeah, I'm finna get married for real, it's like a week away. Old ass red tip shells, I forgot they bang. Froze ass chain or a watch can happen anyway. Eyes on feet, nickel on me trying to flee away. The holder getting rich, big as a penny, but I see a way. Reading bro like every drop of lean, you can't find a tray. Nigga, I been chasing chicken, look on Wally page.
Well, that is not no Zazas, throw the weed away. keys, then burnt her tracks. Then I made her stuff 200 pills where the cervix at. Ghetto boy shit, man. What up, Lil?
Stone Cold Bitch.
Yeah. What up, Sad? I'm a mastermind. You spend 40, you get one for free. This an appetizer. I just came up with a plan. I'm a strategizer. How you gonna survive 2 Dracos with rapid fire? Hit the road 100 sometimes before I had a license. In the back seat, I stuck the muzzle in a pack of diapers. I hope this bitch don't hit a tree. I'm finna whack the drive. 5 of red in a Mountain Dew. It look like apple cider. Bitch, I been dirty. Made 10 before 10, woke up at 6:30. This bitch a fiend, I charged her 200 for 6 perkies. I got 4 Glocks on me right now, bitch, my hip hurting. Glock 18 with monkey nuts, I call her Big Bertha. I drink the high tech like it's water, but I sip purple. Let my auntie cook a brick for me, she said her wrist hurting. I had to let her cook the drop, she made a big purchase. She had to take a smoke break. I told her she could smoke a zip, this bitch gon' smoke 8. My white bitch just let her sniff blow. I call her Snowflake. Told this bitch to hit a few lines, she took the whole plate. Now she ain't dead a dime. If I overdose off drinking lean, bro, just let me die. My nigga wanna buy some grams, I charge him 75. You think I'm showing love? I really hit it 7 times. I took a 100 pack and hit it with the never mind. You ever seen a real zombie? That shit terrifying. My nigga showed me 2000 in blues. I was mesmerized. Scared to drink this pop, it's dark as hell. It left me petrified. Bitch, I'm paralyzed. I cannot move. I just got like 60 grams of cut. I cannot use. Nigga really thought he bought some R's. He ain't that stupid. I sold his ass some Circle Zannies. These are not blues. 1100 for these Louis Walkers. These are not shoes. I had to cut into a bitch, but I am not rude. When I say a bitch, I'm talking about a brick of dog food. Who the hell are you? If you a snitch and have a son, he gonna be telling too. You just take pictures with your Glock. You don't never use it. Watch my cousin get life for a brick. That shit left me clueless. Doggy caught a body, got life and pay restitution. On the strip, selling white girl, I call that prostitution. I'm in the eco-friendly rental, but my papa looted. At the Y, hooping with FN, but I'm not with Lucci. I'm still shit talking. Ever seen a nigga step on blues and call it crib walking? If a fiend comes short 10, take a 10th off it. Got red flagged at the urgent care, I did 6 walk-ins. That was in 7 days, 1 million some streams in 1 month. Let's get the record straight. Snuck through the metal detector with a little 38. If they ask why that bitch go off, I got a metal plate. Still fucking with the Paw Patrol. When I hit the block, niggas run like when the law patrolling. Call a plug up, I need the softest blow. He dropped another baby off, so I bought a stroller. 4.5 Glock, this bitch drop a polar. Keep it in my hand at all times. Could've bought a holster. Just dropped the bitch off and made her walk back over. Used to drink a pint and drop a verse. Now I'm talking sober. I guess I'm talented. Hit her with the.
So we just got a new hour. And if you look, prices does not want to go up. Real choppiness right here. See this? This is resistance. This holds on. Yes, resistance. So if this candle wants to drop, it can and give us our Asian sweep. As long as it's fair value upholds, I'm not worried about it. Right? It's holding. It just tried to come down on DJ. Alright, so looking for reversal prices because above. It's closing above, so let's get rid of this shit. And also on the higher time frame. Wow. Retest. Retest. I need a retest. I really want to hop on gold. But it's just moving too earlier and it's just not. So whichever alarm goes off first. If this alarm goes off first, retest it, and we'll hop in sales. If this alarm goes off, we'll hop in right away.
I got some little circle orange pills. I want 110 a piece. Just Johnny Cage, a nigga at the store. I should have finished it. Bust a nigga watermelon open with a lemon squeeze. All I really smoke is Pink Runs and Billy Kimber weed.
Finna pull up on Freaky T, he got some different weed. Gelato 33 and Oreo cake, I get it 10 a G. Had my white boy crack your safe for a hit it clean. New AR came with more legs than a centipede. Bitch, I'm finna act dangerous. High tech walk out Morton cool, but that act dangerous. Bro told me to leave the streets alone, but I'm back dangling. Bought my bitch some Louis, took him back, she got fat ankles.
I just smoked a half, now I look like a black Asian. Made her sell ass on Craigslist, I couldn't backpage it. Hit her, now she walking with a hunch. I'm a backbreaker, take the salt, drop it in a pot. I'm a crack maker. Pussy, you don't want static. Drunk the pint before I even bought it. I'm a dope addict. Bought a scat, but it wasn't loud enough. I added Flow Masters. Bug grew a pound in 30 days. He a grow master.
Rob a nigga, pop his ass once, he get a poke after. Tape his son up to hit the E-way in a Roadmaster. Pour the 6 in a small pop, it tastes so nasty. Let the hoes suck my dick at once and make them both happy. I'm still buying 3 HTs, man, he so corny. Counted up 10 bands on all blues, me so horny. Dog ain't had no money for a fee, he threw me 240s. Did a show for 1100, but only threw 40.
Hey, let's get this shit poppin', plugged in. I can get the R's for $6. My son likes steak. He ain't never ate no McDonald's. Left school and went straight to work like I skipped college. I ain't had no job. My first sale was my bitch mama. Rolling fake as hell. I can hear that bitch TikToking. Niggas fucked up, do anything for a quick dollar. Niggas said I'm broke. That's like saying you seen a sick doctor. Alright, man. You know, me and Sav got an understanding with this shit. Dumb and Dumber 3, you know he had to do it. Mike took my pill and we got into it. Oh, he got a pill for me, so we not in. And know them people house did not do nothing to me, but I shot into it.
Bitch pussy deeper than a bitch, I stuffed a lot into it. I popped a Perk 30 last night and made a lot of music. We could kill 41 niggas, 9 Glocks will do it. I think I pulled like 12 lines up, my papa music. Nigga, I sell my house for the right check. I think I need 9 rounds today, bitch, I like sex. Walk in, let me see everybody gun, it's a pipe check. Deep water, let me say bitch, that's a mic check. They only sent your ass 3,000, that's a light check.
Bro, take your chain off. This is diamond check. Talking about Big Beaver. Bro, your ass can't even find this set. I just promoted a party, made an Eiler check. How many YouTube views you got? This is subscriber check. You ain't never seen this gun. It's a dino tech. Hole on a shotgun. Look like we shooting rhino necks. I ain't gonna lie. Little baby hard, but Rilo necks. 20 hoes text me yesterday. I can't find your riding down Saginaw trying to trick. I can't find no sex.
Bitch sucking dick with all shoulders. Can't find her neck. No cap between me and Ree. They sent 5 protects.
Do you got that shit on you? This a diaper check.
I got so much shit in my pants. I caught a diaper rag.
Cook the whole brick of wet dope. Where the dryer at?
On the plane higher than the bitch, like where the pilot at?
How you niggas hotter than me and Mike? Where the fire at? Man, this bitch pussy loose. Where some pliers at?
Her friend ass flatter than the bitch, she got an iron back.
AR shine light on your spine. It's a diamond back.
Reed said he fucked my new bitch and I'm fine with that.
Man, I mixed my old bitch. Where diamond at? You said you paid 20 for the chain. Where the diamonds at?
I'm trying to put my balls in her mouth. Where Lariah at?
Man, I need my hair redid. Where Tanaya at? Made 100 racks last summer. July exact.
I ain't gonna lie, I can't even think of shit that rhyme with that.
Mike just fucked my main bitch and I'm fine with that.
Damn, I think I did it twice. I hit her ass from the back, we had a vivid night.
I don't eat pussy, but you lucky if I lick it twice. Alright, I got my mind made up. I'm tricking twice.
Told the bitch I need $1,000, that's the renter price. Just go ahead and chop your neck off, boy, you renting ice.
Bitch pussy got more miles than a bitch pussy got more miles than a long sleeve from Enterprise.
Damn.
Come on. Noise, 4 nigga bang. 4 pockets full, 80 racks. I might trick today. 11 in the morning, I already drunk at 6 today. I might spend 10 racks just on drip.
We're in gold. We're in gold. I gotta send it to the Telegram. Okay, I sent it to the Telegram. I sent it in the Telegram, and we're in it now, so we're in it. We're in it. We are in it. We're in, and I sent it to the Telegram. Sent it to the Telegram. So I'll probably stay on live for like 10 more minutes, and then we see how this bitch right out. But we're in it. All that waiting, and we're finally in. And GJ looks like it might want to go up as well, but we didn't break the high with a body close. So we gotta be more patient on GJ. A lot more patient on GJ. But go and move him to the top. I think we're pushing actually. Hold on. I think gold's pushing. Oh yeah, it looks like it's pushing a bit. Yeah, we're in it. So let's see how it right out. See how, yeah, it's pushing. I'm pushing. We're pushing. It's actually like 10 pips right there. That's 10 pips. Around 20, 30 pips, almost stops to break even. So it'll be a risk-free trade. But we just gotta see what this bitch wanna do first.
Is it'll make you rich? I just hit the baddest bitch and I ain't paid for shit. This Audemars, this Yacht Master. This $250,000 car, I can't drive fast. You was talking about some good shit, but it did not matter. Pockets swelled up, put on some more pants, they got fatter. I'm in a 5 fish with a stick on me. Curtains in the back windows and it's 10 on it. The Rio chain background, spit the brick on it. So many hundreds stacked up, can do a flip off them. Paramount cups from Starbucks, I don't sip coffee. Set in a 10 for 2 weeks and got a brick off me. Bitch, I'm a big baller. Ain't no 30 clip in here, this is Sig Sawyer. 9,000 for this whip, this a big whore. Hey junkie, I got an Eddie script, go and get water. Bitch thought I was a trick, I gave her $6. Plus she ain't get to see the Benz, I'm in the Impala. Beat her down for an hour, got her clit throbbing. Why y'all talking about paper, the whole click starving? I can do a whole EP tonight and sell a brick tomorrow. Rolls truck 250, this a big car. 1,100 miles on the scat, I can get far. 100,000 on the car, man, it's not a Mopar. Hit his Hellcat with some big nights a go-kart. If 308 hit his fender, bet it won't start. Sprayed the car in traffic, hit the transmission, I won't perk. Blacked out when I grabbed a chop, it got so dirt. Bitch, you know your baby daddy broke. Don't start. My fiend just got a bonus check and bought the whole jar. One day I seen an old 8K flip a whole car. I don't know what I did last night. I took a whole bar. I don't drink liquor, but I walk in truth and buy the whole bar. Y'all my people, so I gotta tell the truth. I bought the whole car. Your son told me where your stash at. Damn, he's so smart.
Get up there, go. Get up there, man. Get up there, go. We need you to get up there.
But you don't have a knot. Buffs white as hell, same time got the blackest pop. 100 on her, Rocky slime finna whack a op. 2 chains bust next month finna grab a watch. Gucci windbreaker shoes and the matching socks. If you in the field, young boy, you better grab a glove.
If you in the field, young boy, you better grasp that. Change whips and them bad hoes, I been had that. I let off the first shot, it didn't last. Went out with that big bitch out, better back. Bitch keep telling me she miss me with her sad ass. Pull up on your block like Lamar, where the stats at? I strip a nigga out his pocket, send his cash at. Bitch keep trying to Mr. Quay with the poppers, that's Beetlejuice. 9 on me, I'm in your hood, I'm just breezing through. Yeah, that pussy nigga, he ain't make it, you ain't seen the news.
Hold 3 6s back to back, I'm an evil dude. With my game rocket bathing ape, we just swinging through. Cut the traction off in this fucker, I swing the coupe. Habibi, he the handyman, bitch, he bringing tools.
Call Sean, boy, I'm in the deep, bring the tools out. Phone got that bitch on my hip, I don't move around. If we get to drop on your ass, better move now. Bitch, keep lying about some shit that I knew about.
Glock with the if I flick this bitch, it's a full $600 shark head when I zip the hood. $80 AFI in the wood, I ain't hitting cook. Monkey in the kitchen with some fiddle.
Excuse me. So looking at GJ on the high time frame, on the 1 hour, we failed to make that change of character, and we made a wig. I mean, the candle still got 42 minutes to do what it do, but from what I'm looking at right now, this is the Asian high, and we just swept the Asian high. Right, and we have this OB up here that hasn't been tapped into. So it's kind of like still respecting this downward structure. So with all that being said, if we get a change of character, I'm going to be looking for an entry on the retest down here to the lows to complete the Asian sweep. But that's if this candle closes with the wick up here and we don't get a body candle close above here. That's what I want to see. And then gold. Gold's pushing a bit. It's in the same spot. It's up a little bit more, but we're getting there, and gold, we're getting there.
All I wanna do is rock eyes. Where's the Uzi? I let girlie hit the weed, she let me fuck this coochie pack. I'm finna go and sell a brick, I got a Gucci hat. When I'm stepping on the dog, I got a Louis slacks. I brought her to the crib and cuddled up, she want a movie snack. I planned it right, she said she wanna fuck cause the movie whack. I'm so rehearsed, I was born in this trap shit, why would I go commercial? I told them how I was and they ain't listen, cause it was more than hurtful. I wake up, get it back, do it again, that's my morning. Bitch wake up, eat my dick to hit the crib, that's her morning journey. My fiend off the white, not the one by verse. She addicted to the pill, she wanna perk, she finna buy circles. My bitch in my ear talking about pets, I'm finna buy circles. They had me in the rapid race, now it's a flying turtles. This nigga talking about head rap, well you a lying jerk. His ass got tired of shooting dog, and I ain't trying her. Bitch threw away the drugs, now she in college, and she trying her. If I see your ass in school, tell you a user.
We're pushing, we're pushing, we're pushing. We're pushing, girl, we're pushing, we're getting there. We getting there, girl, we getting there, we pushing, we up there, we getting up there. Just need to stay afloat, just need to stay afloat. And then if we can get like how many pips are we up? 34 to 33. We're not up too many pips, but if we can get up, let's see, 33, 54, 35. That's like 20 pips, honestly. If it comes down too low, I'll probably get out of break even. If it comes down close, I'll just get out of break even. Another 10-20 pips, we'll go break even as well, and just let the rest ride. And probably take some partials. Probably take some partials on that. There it goes. Flip. It flipped back. Nothing to worry about on this.
Like and I don't sell crack, I'm giving niggas booger sugar. Caught a plug and he pulling up on a Kawasaki. Tell my brother if he catch a body, then I'm telling mommy, hallelujah, Jesus Christ. But I'm with 1,000 Akis. Came up from selling pussy, free my nigga Joe Exotic. She said she can feel it in her stomach, stop capping. Oh, lying ass bitch, my dick ain't that big. Cougar bitch, but she look good, Tony Braxton. I got low self-esteem, I was a fat kid. Suck it good, chew it, then swallow, Sour Patch Kid. My bitch about to leave me cause I'm built like Patrick. I nut super quick and I be weighing down a mattress. On the low, dog, I'm tired of this fat shit. I ain't signed to nobody, bitch, I work for me. Bitch, fuck the op for revenge, think she hurt me. Caught them both slipping at the movies, gave him first degree. Rihanna got awards in that case, bitch, herpes me.
That nigga said herpes me. What the fuck? That wick is scary, bro. Like, what the fuck is going on? 15 still looks amazing. We should be good, though. I think we'll be alright. I might, if it comes to BE, I'm not gonna get out. I'm just gonna let the trade play out. I'm just gonna let the trade play out. I risked accordingly, so hopefully y'all did too. Well, we should be alright. We should be alright.
Whoa. 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 Let's go. Whoa. Whoa. Every time we pop out, it's a movie. We never see niggas who claim they don't like us. Got them sticks everywhere. We can be in New York. They gon' have to send all us to Rikers. First to death and I just rolled the op in this whip in the found up. Pass me a lighter. We ain't know this shit when we slide up in traffic. You only see head stripers. Stripers they foul like I'm licensed. Who the fuck said we doing some fighting? I go anywhere niggas say that I can't go and I don't give a fuck who don't like me. I really don't know why I smoke, maybe because this whole in my DM trying to bite me. I can't be by the beat, too much money to make it. Don't run up, you gon' live life. Whoa, we run the city, you know how they go. Got a little bitch, she be on this shit super fine, and she really looking like Ruby Rose. Pocket stuff, I got that load, I can run with some bread without having no toes. One-on-one, bitch, I'm the GOAT. Had me big motion, this shit on the floor. Lemon hair, found them smoke on the smoke. Skinny jeans, stove throwing ration. My pocket too fat to the point where I can't fit no more. I ain't worried about a thing, I put this on the game. You rich, I can add to get level 4 hoes. Know we got sticks in the party, no searching the artists. You know we got it when we compose. Can't be the game, you ain't getting money. I ain't shot shit, you never put shit on the post. Stand over him with this drug when it bust on my face. The God, he thought he seen the gold. Snatch on the J, that's the point straight. They doing 200, we snatching dirt out the road. Don't tell nobody we fucking, cause I might be fucking her too. Hey, you know how they go. Girl, we gang, we the biggest. Yeah, we catch your head by the hour. Every walk through pop out is some whoa. We never see niggas who claim they don't like us. Got some sticks everywhere. We can be in New York. They gon' have to send all us to Rikers. First to death and I just rolled the op in this whip in the found up. Pass me a lighter. We ain't know this shit when we slide up in traffic. You only see head stripers. Stripers, they foul like I'm licensed. Who the fuck said we doing some fighting? I go anywhere niggas say that I can't go and I don't give a fuck who don't like me. I really don't know why I smoke, maybe because this whole in my DM trying to bite me. I can't be by the beat, too much money to make it. Don't run up, you gon' live
I been on myself, ain't wear the dice, I'm about to break shit up. Dead like they sleep, but it's all cool, I'm about to wake shit up. Niggas think she sweet until we sweet do make them take shit up. This ain't Maybelline, this shit for real, no, I can't make this up. Big race, make them rake them up. Yeah, I'm rich, but I still be with steppers, big boots, lace them up. Find out where you with, drop down with pencils, yeah, erase some stuff. I'm with the gang, got done fuck with these niggas on some racist stuff. You know they don't like embracing us. They know we got rest for real, they know these boys can't fuck with us. I go get shit touched for real, can't say too much, I hush that up. Cubans on Cubans, I crush them up. Fill my body up with plenty eyes, my bitch think I'm a cook. Poppin' my shit, my bitch say I'm a slut. She think I got a few hoes in the cup, but the whole thing I'ma put up with some bucks. Talk a little bitch, I know rap, I'm a real little pharmacist. I really got rich off drugs. Flies a bumblebee, don't need the buzz. Girl, I'm a flower, I came out the mud. My pocket's pregnant, don't you see the pudge? Got the shit on them, I'm holding a grudge. I can't make this up. Hester Streets, they know what's up. No filter, I ain't make shit up. I can't make this up. Been had more scraps than the stud. Been had more wrecks than your plugs. Gossip about the nigga pockets, that's some shit I don't indulge. Why the fuck we gotta talk? We know these niggas broke as fuck. We the ones ballin', they talking about us. No, they can't stop us, they tryna adjust. How the bad bitch want me for some nut? Rather than manual, lil' mama clutch. Yeah, lil' mama, she clutch with the nut. Throw it back like a shot, she ain't throwing shit up. She made it you cause you blowing her up. She loving me cause I'm going in a cut. I ain't tryna put no little bitch in no cuffs. I want some millions, I don't want no hugs. I want somebody that's got rest for a judge. Fuck everybody who don't fuck with us. For real, I don't fuck with nobody. Hey, nah, bitch, I can't make this up. I can't make this up. I ain't never make shit up.
Big brother. Hey, got that Draco on me now, and that hoe came with a 60. Super Block 23, that's 100 shot, boy, come get me. CG Richard shooter, got them switches in the Bentley. Since I bulletproof the Bentley, I ain't get it 10. I live a double life, a superhero in a minute. Cause I stand on business, won't go for none, I'm ignorant, I'm serious. And
I'm hitting it fully with precision, no missing. Jump out with that Drake, gon' be a killing. My killer told me fuck a cat, go buy him an Infinity. I left 10 racks on the backseat with a note, told him go finish. They thought it was over, cause we even up that scope.
Okay, I'm taking some partials. I'm gonna take some partials. I'm gonna take some partials. Oh yeah, we pushing, baby. Hey. Boom, partials taken. We should probably move stops to break even. Stop to break even. And we're rolling.
Used to wear my heart in my chest, nails on my arm. We used to fuck without no rubbers. Girl, you down there at my son. I won't chase a bitch, I do the opposite. Go and get another bitch. Turn her up, now she lit. I can't get the hoe off my dick.
Oh, we good. Partials taken, stops to break even. I'm moving on. We got our profit, and we still got some money. Alright, we got partials taken. We still got some running. We got our profits. We still got some running. GJ still fucking around like a little bitch. But gold's running. Stops to beat break even. And we took our partials. So we straight. Catch me tomorrow. I guess today, tonight. Alright. Well, that's fine. Tuesday, 2 a.m. So 2 a.m. tonight.